Hey guys, today we're making lemon sugar cookies for Easter. For the ingredients, you will need a bowl, a whisk, granulated sugar, butter, flour, applesauce, baking powder, salt, lemon zest, lemon juice, and lemon extract. First thing we're gonna do is mix our butter and sugar. So first, I want this butter to be like really soft so it doesn't create lumps. So we're just gonna give it a good whisk, like that. And then I'm gonna add in our sugar. And then we'll just mix it up nicely until it's nice and soft. Now I'm gonna add my other ingredients. So I'm gonna first do with the wet ingredients. I'm gonna add my applesauce. And then I'm gonna add my lemon juice and lemon zest. And my lemon extract. And then I'll give it a good whisk. And then now I'm gonna add in my baking soda and salt. Oops. There. Give it a good whisk. And now I'm gonna add in my flour. And then mix it up until it's like a dough consistency. This dough, it's like crumbly if you just like take it apart, but it won't break when you roll it. So we're gonna roll it and then we're gonna make it to cute shapes for Easter. So we're just gonna put it on our surface, just work with it, and then I'm gonna start rolling it out. Wow, oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like those lemon candies we used to eat. Wow, oh my god. It looks like a sugar cookie color, which is making me really happy. So I've rolled it and it's less than half an inch really. I feel like this is really nice. And I got these new cookie cutters for my birthday. And it's like Easter and I'm really excited to use these. So I'm definitely gonna do a egg one. Thinking about doing a bunny. Let's use them. I have this. I have these egg cookie cutters. I'm gonna use this one first. Go from the corner and then you just press it. And then it comes out. Look at that design. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. I want to try this one. Oh my god, I think I'm obsessed. I've never used like these push and press cookie cutters. This is so cool. Oh my god, I'm in love, guys. Look at that. This bunny one. Oh my god, these are so cool. I'm so excited. And then this one. I like how that release noise. Then we're gonna do this one again. Can I fit this one? Maybe I can fit it. Yay! Okay, so now I have greased my pan and I have my cookies ready. Now I'm just going to carefully pick them up and place them on my baking pan. You have to be really careful because this dough is like really crumbly, you know? It's very fragile. So excited for this. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. And I'll place my beautiful cookies. I'm so happy about the eggs. Like, look at that detail. That is so beautiful. Okay, anyways, my oven is preheated to 350. And now I'm gonna put these babies in the oven. Let's go. I think my cookies are ready, so let me open the oven. Look at that, guys. I like how it's like a golden brown, but it looks nice and soft in the middle. Look at that. I like just cooling the oven for a while, but look at that. I love it. And the indentation has not really gone away that much yet. So I'm really happy. I'm gonna make the royal icing for our cookies here. I just picked a few that I'm gonna ice. So the ingredients you'll need for that is melted butter. I got my lemon extract, some powdered sugar, milk, and I got dyes and writing gel so I can make little details on my cookies. So first I'm going to put in our powdered sugar or icing sugar. Oh, it's like stuck on the bottom. Okay. And then we're just gonna add in our milk. And then I'm going to put in our extract. And I'm gonna add a little bit of butter, not too much, and then we'll gradually add it if needed. Okay, so I added a little bit. Make the same mistake as I did before. We'll put the cover on after we put this down. And then put this in. And then let's give it a mix. Looks like I can pipe this. Just take it out. Okay, now I'm gonna divide this icing in 3 bowls. So this is gonna be one of those bowls. And then can mix it up. Okay, it's really thick. Let me use my spatula. And then put some in this one. Okay, and then I think this is about good. We're just going to take all of these colors. Now I have my colors. I have red, blue, and yellow. So I'm gonna just put a few drops of color in each batch of icing. And then we'll give it a good mix, and then I'll see you. We're just gonna mix this red one first. Ooh, look at that pretty color. That looks beautiful. I can't wait to ice my cookies. And then mix the yellow. Ooh, this looks really nice. Blue. I'm so happy with how these colors are coming out. They look really pretty. Wow, look at that. Oh, wow, look at that blue. I love it. Okay, so now I've transferred all of my icings into piping bags, and I have this writing gel for details. So I got some chosen cookies. They're either ones that were not broken or not eaten. I'm gonna just take a scissor and then snip off the ends of my piping bags. Only do the ones that you need first, because you don't want them to start leaking out. Okay, I want to try first doing the bunny. Let's try this one. You know what, let's make this hole bigger, because it's like a really tiny hole. I think it's coming out there. Oh yeah, Okay, now I'm gonna use this pink for the ears. Honestly, I love how it's just like smoothing out, you know? So cool. Okay, and now I'm gonna use this writing gel for eyes and its mouth. So cute. So I've done 2 cookies, and now I'm doing another one. I'm just not really that great of a designer, but we're working here, you know? I feel like I'm doing my best job. And I'm really happy with it. So yeah. Okay, so guys, I iced all of my cookies, and I cannot believe how this turned out, and I'm so super happy. So I will give you one advice. The thing is this edible gel, right? The writing gel. I feel like you should only use it for cakes, because when I was using it for cookies, it was becoming like really blobby and it was getting smeared. So what I did was I put on some icing, I let it dry out like this and harden, and then I used this edible marker. So then I could just write on my details, and oh my god, I cannot tell you guys, I'm so excited. And I was really happy because my ear broke off, but as you guys can see, I improvised. We pretended like it's just, you know, it's just folded, it's hanging over there. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe and share this to more people. Goodbye!